Most people throw these away without thinking twice. That made me wonder, how much life is actually hidden inside a single fruit? But every seed inside this papaya is a complete genetic package, capable of becoming a new papaya plant.
At first, it doesn't look like much, but the deeper we go, the more seeds keep appearing. So today, we're collecting every seed. Not some of them, every single one.
100, 101, 102. The pile keeps growing.
And suddenly, this isn't just a fruit anymore. It's a collection of future plants.